one for 200.
Yeah. Man, that's awesome. This is what used to power our washing machines.
My friend got the washer with the motor, and he's got one with just electric.
You know, I was in Newton, Iowa. As a matter of fact, there it is. That's where Iowa Speedway is now. And
there's my other one.
oh wow!
My friend wasn't getting any fire. He took the flywheel off, the coil and the points, and condensed it all together.
I got you.
$200.
Wow, that's awesome. Yeah. Okay. So this is what my father had.
I got
Oh.
I got a hit and miss